Hello students, let us continue Act 4 Scene 1 from line number 332 onwards. Seeing the turntables, Cristiano becomes extremely happy and says, "Oh, learned judge, mark you, or learned judge." He's actually giving back to Sherlock. Sherlock is totally confused away and says, "I take this offer then, pay the bond thrice and let this Christian go." He's trying to be a little clever over here and asking that, okay, give me the thrice the principal amount and I will let the Christian go. That means that he is going to free Antonio. Bassanio, listen to this, says, "Here's the money." Portia stops him and says, "Stop, soft, and stop. The Jew shall have all justice. Soft, no haste. He shall have nothing but the penalty." Listening to this, Cristiano becomes extremely happy and says, "O Jew, an upright judge, a learned judge." So he's commenting upon the Jew, that is Sherlock. Portia says further, "Therefore, prepare thee to cut off the flesh, shed thou no blood, nor cut thou less nor more, but just a pound of flesh." So you need to cut neither less nor more, but exactly 1 pound of flesh. And then she further says, if you cut more or less than an exact pound, even if the difference makes it light or heavy in the weight by 1/20th of a grain, in the scale, if the scales turn in one direction or the other by the weight of a single hair, you'll be sentenced to death and all your goods will be taken from you. So your substance means weight, division means fraction, scruple means just a little bit, estimation of a hair, that means even the weight of a hair. So Cristiano expresses extreme joy and says, "The second Daniel, a Daniel Jew." So he has learned, he is repeating the words said by Sherlock earlier and says, "Now infidel." Infidel is another word for Jew and says, "I have thee upon the hip, on the hip." That means I have you in my grip. Then Portia says, "Why does the Jew pause? Take that forfeiture." And Sherlock, feeling extremely shocked, says, "Give me my principal and let me go at least." Bassanio is ready for that too and says, "I have it ready for thee. Here it is." But again, he is stopped by Portia and says, Portia says, he has refused it in the open court. He has refused to take the principal in front of everybody. So he shall have merely justice in the bond. So he will have only justice and the penalty of the bond, which he desires, which he has been seeking from the court, the Duke, since long. So he'll be getting only whatever he wanted and nothing else. Listening to this, Cristiano says, "Daniel, still say a second Daniel. I thank the Jew for teaching me that word." So he gives his thanks to Sherlock for teaching him the word Daniel. Then Sherlock says, "Shall I not have barely my principal?" He's begging away and saying that, "Shall I not get merely the original amount of the loan?" To which Portia says, "Thou shalt have nothing but the forfeiture." to be taken, so taken at thy peril. Peril means danger, Jew. So obviously, there's great danger for his life, for his property, if he sheds even a drop of blood in taking a pound of flesh, which was not possible. Sherlock says, why then? The devil give him good of it. I'll stay no longer here. So he wants to go and leave the court, but he is being stopped by Portia. We'll see later in the other videos.